Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a checking account in Wells Fargo Bank. So first of all, open the Wells Fargo app. Now tap on the open a checking account option, then it will redirect you to the browser. Now in the browser, it will first of all ask you for a zip code, and once you've entered your zip code, you'll be able to access the browser. Now since I've already entered my zip code, it will provide you the most popular checking account type and some other account types as well, such as clear access banking, everyday checking, preferred checking, portfolio by Wells Fargo, and many more. And if you are not sure which checking account's the best fit for you, you can compare all accounts and find the right account. For now, let's say we just want to open everyday checking account. Tap on the option open now. Now it will ask you whether you are already a Wells Fargo banking customer or not. Choose the option. Now you can upload your photo ID to pre-fill your application, or you can just fill it in yourself. By tapping the option, you can fill it in yourself. Now it will ask you for your personal information such as your first name, last name, MI, citizenship, driver license / state ID, ID number, state issued, expiration date, date of birth, your home address, your zip code, and finally time at this address. Once you fill out all of the details, tap continue, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully opened a checking account in Wells Fargo Bank. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational or helpful videos like these.